Apple has officially sent out invites for its next product launch event, which will take place on March 4, 2026, in New York. The video shared by the YouTuber showcases the iPhone 17e with a dynamic island and MagSafe charging support. In terms of design, the new iPhone 17e is likely to look the same as the older model, but Apple could offer new color options. The iPhone 17e will closely resemble a single-camera version. iPhone 17e get the same 18MP selfie camera as the rest of the iPhone 17 family, while the rear may house a 48-megapixel main camera. The iPhone 17e will be equipped with a 6.1-inch OLED display, most likely the same 60Hz low-power panel used on the iPhone 16. The iPhone 17e will use an A19 chip, which is present in the base iPhone 17. The phone will get Apple C1 modem. The iPhone 17e will likely start at $599 for the 128GB option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.